Chicken, roasted lemons and fragrant rice, and a little something special that brings the whole Mediterranean to your plate, all in one glorious pot. Simple, satisfying, and possibly a little judgmental.
Excuse me.
Come on. Here I have 6 chicken thighs. Make sure the skin is very dry. And to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and I have here 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust the heat to your own desire. You know how hot you like it. So we're just going to coat these in our lovely seasoning. My oven has been turned on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's approximately 200 degrees Celsius. There, they're nicely coated. In your Dutch oven or heavy bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Over medium-high heat, let this oil get really hot for about 4 or 5 minutes, but below smoking point. Place your chicken in the pot, skin side down. Once you place it there, do not move it. You may have to do this in 2 batches. Don't overcrowd your pan. Do not move these. Give them 5 minutes on this side so they get nice and crispy and brown. All right, it has been 6 minutes, so let's check these. Yes, they have self-released from the pot. So now let's just turn them over and put them aside. No need to do the bottom. Finish your other 3. And these 3 are done. All right, set these aside. Beautiful color. My heat is at a medium, and to that I'm going to add sliced lemon. These are about a 1/4 inch thick, that's 6 millimeters. I'm going to put my heat now at a medium high. I want more sizzle until they're lovely golden brown, a little caramelized. That's going to take 2 or 3 minutes. These are taking on a lovely color and they've softened. Just going to turn them over for 1 minute and then I'll remove them. Set these aside. Next in are our wonderful olives. You can use Calamato olives. However, today I'm using Castelvetrano. My heat is at medium-low, so I'm going to add my chopped olives. These are 150 grams, that's about 1 cup. 1 medium chopped shallot, or half a cup basically, of a small onion. 6 cloves of garlic, chopped. And a little pinch of salt. About a 1/4 teaspoon. Stir these to coat. We're going to saute these for about 2 minutes. And we're just going to try and scrape the good bits off the bottom. That beautiful fond. Any really baked on pieces, we'll get that in a moment with some liquid. My goodness, the smell coming from this pot. Turn your heat back up to medium-high after your 2 minutes are up. To that I am going to add 1½ cups of long grain rice. That's about 300 grams. I have washed that several times. And 3 cups. That is about 710 milliliters of chicken stock. Turn your heat now back up to high because we want to bring this to a boil. Cover your pot. And let's bring this up to a boil, which will take about 5 minutes. Beautiful, this is simmering all over. So let's go ahead, turn off the heat, and put some of our lemon slices right there on top of the broth. Keep a few because we will put them on the chicken. And now just place your chicken back in the pot. Any juices, put them back in there. And now put the remaining lemon on top of your chicken. And juices back in the pot. They don't belong to you. Pop a lid on this. We are going to put this into the oven for about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes until that chicken is cooked. I'll be right back. How easy was that? It has been 25 minutes and I'm just going to check this. Oh, that smell. We want the chicken to be at 165 degrees. Good God, that's 200 degrees. We just want to make sure the rice is cooked as well. That looks lovely. Watch me burn myself. Beautiful. The rice is perfectly cooked. Oven off. Let's get this served. And that rice had a little kick from the chili flakes we put in there. Absolutely delicious. Serve this dish Family style, right from the pot. Put something down to protect your table. Look at that beauty. My kitchen smells of chicken and lemon and garlic and shallots. Wow. Chicken and rice.
Oh, you forgot the parsley.
What? Oh, I did. And a little parsley over the top. She loves to be right. Not that it needs it. The green olives just are popping in there. But since I chopped the parsley, might as well use it. Look at that. Comfort food in a bowl. Chicken and rice. Smells absolutely incredible. Let's try it. Tender, juicy chicken. Bright citrus and buttery olives. And a rice that has soaked up every last drop of love in that pot. It's time to try this. I'm going to try the rice. Oh. It's almost risotto-like. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely incredible. Delicious. This rice is amazing. All right, I'll try the chicken and rice now. It's incredible. Wow, simply gorgeous and downright satisfying. Just the way a midnight?
The word is midweek, Dad.
Just the way a midweek meal should be. Yes, Cathy, you have something to say?
Nothing you could repeat very clearly.
Mediterranean cooks have baked chicken with rice, herbs, and olives for centuries. The first cluck-worthy chicken mention, 1400 BCE. Want the juicy bits? Go to thecrackedmug.net for more info and tips. Some even useful.
This is totally doable in the midweek. Make it at the weekend. It's really a comfort pot, very simple and very quick.
Well, that was unexpectedly edible. Miracles do happen. If you fancy more of his culinary antics, don't just sit there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tap the bell, darling, because missing out on this would be a tragedy or a mercy, depending on the dish.
Thanks a million for being here. It really means the world to me. Whether you stop by to cook with me, share a video, or just for the banter. If you enjoyed this one, let me know in the comments. And if you have a lemon and a Dutch oven, you're halfway through making this. I'll see you next time with more flavor, more stories, and probably a little more sass from Cathy. Until then, mind yourself. Bye.
Cheerio, darlings.